Neuroscience data processing, such as in human neuroimaging, has a carbon footprint. In order to turn raw fMRI data into something we can use to make conclusions, we need to pre-process and statistically analyze it. This relies on computing, which relies on servers that need energy to run. We can estimate the energy usage for our computing, then multiply this by the carbon intensity of our energy source to get an estimate of carbon emissions for a given computing job. We estimated the carbon emissions from fMRI data processing in software packages FSL, SBM, and fMRIPrep. We ran data for 257 subjects who had completed a stop signal task for each package. First, we can see that, per subject, SBM emitted about 30% more carbon than FSL. To compare these to fMRIPrep, we need to change the scale, and that's because average emissions from fMRIPrep were 43 times higher than FSL and 34 times higher than SBM. Total use of fMRIPrep across all subjects was equivalent to driving 10 miles in a gasoline-powered car, compared to only 0.2 miles for FSL and 0.3 miles for SBM. This kind of makes sense. fMRIPrep was designed to combine multiple best practice pre-processing tools. But it's important to check whether this translates into the quality of our output. We looked at task activation in relevant regions of interest, pulling out the mean statistical value in each. While the task is robust as the stop signal, higher values should suggest increased sensitivity to expected effects. And although it varied by region, fMRIPrep generally outperformed FSL and SBM. The quality of our output does look better. So, we have a trade-off. With fMRIPrep, researchers may have more confidence in their results at the cost of a large relative increase in emissions. Researchers should not be dissuaded from making this trade-off. Good quality data is important. However, we can be smarter in how we use compute. This could include making sure we don't unnecessarily repeat our pre-processing. fMRIPrep users can also disable surface reconstruction to reduce emissions by up to 48% with no loss of performance. With these steps, neuroimagers can reduce the carbon footprint of their research computing.